Model H401 is equipped with 3 support legs. Triangular plate. High quality vise. Installation demonstration. Remove the triangular plate buckle. Press down the clip firmly and pull it upwards. Repeat the operation to remove the buckle on the other side. Insert the bolt. Install the buckle and clamp it tightly. Repeat the installation procedure for the other end. Insert the assembled support leg onto one side of the chain. Fit the chain-equipped support leg onto the opposite side. Finally, install and tighten the screws. Pipe installation. Engage the chain into the groove. Turn clockwise to secure the pipeline.